In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reclassify Transactions in QuickBooks Accountant, current desktop interface. If you work with multiple clients, the Reclassify Transactions tool is a huge time saver. It lets you move batches of transactions to the correct account in just a few clicks, which is especially helpful after a cleanup or when you spot consistent coding errors. I'll walk you through the process, share a few tips to stay organized, and help you feel confident using this feature. First, sign into your QuickBooks Accountant account. Once you're in, go to the top menu and click the gear icon for settings. Under the Tools section, choose Reclassify Transactions. This opens a focused workspace designed specifically for reviewing and correcting transaction coding. Next, select the client or contact whose transactions you want to reclassify. This ensures you're only looking at that client's data and reduces the chance of changing the wrong books. Set the from and to dates for the period you want to review. Keeping your date range tight, like month end or quarter end, can make the list faster to review and keeps your changes targeted. Now, use the filters to narrow down your results. Choose a transaction type, such as all, expense, or deposit, depending on what you're fixing. If you're correcting a specific relationship, use the customer or vendor filter to isolate their activity. You can also filter by account to find transactions currently sitting in a misused or suspense account. And if you know a keyword, search by memo or description to zero in on exactly what you need. These filters can be combined, so don't hesitate to stack them for a precise list. Review the transactions that appear. Take a moment to scan amounts, dates, payees, and memos to confirm they belong together and truly need the same correction. If anything looks uncertain, it's worth pausing to verify before making a batch change. Select the transactions you want to reclassify. You can check them individually, or select all if everything on screen needs the same fix. Under the Modify area, choose the new account you want to move these transactions to. Make sure the destination account aligns with your client's chart of accounts and reporting needs. When you're ready, click Reclassify to apply the changes. You may see a confirmation. Use that as a final review moment. Afterward, confirm the updates in your client's books by reviewing the list again or spot checking the affected accounts. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.